Warren Buffett bought his first stock when he was just 11 years old. Can you imagine that? At an age when most kids are busy playing games or worrying about schoolwork, young Warren was already thinking about his financial future. It's almost unbelievable to think about an 11-year-old making such a significant decision, but that's exactly what he did. This kid, barely past elementary school, was already dipping his toes into the world of investing. While other children were spending their allowances on toys and candy, Warren was saving up every penny he could get his hands on. He was determined to make his money work for him, even at such a tender age. He purchased shares of City Service Preferred at $38 each. He was hooked. The thrill of owning a piece of a company, the excitement of watching its value fluctuate, and the potential for profit captivated him. This wasn't just a fleeting interest, it was the beginning of a lifelong journey. This seemingly small act ignited a passion that would shape his life and redefine investing for generations to come. It was more than just a hobby, it was a calling. Warren's early experiences with investing taught him valuable lessons about patience, risk, and reward. From a young age, Buffett displayed a knack for numbers and an entrepreneurial spirit. He had an innate ability to understand complex financial concepts and a relentless drive to succeed. These qualities set him apart from his peers and laid the foundation for his future success. He wasn't afraid to work hard and try new things. He sold chewing gum, delivered newspapers, and even ran his own pinball machine business. Each of these ventures taught him important lessons about business, customer service, and the value of a dollar, and even ran his own pinball machine business. This particular venture was especially significant because it taught him about the importance of reinvesting profits. Instead of spending the money he earned, he used it to buy more pinball machines, which in turn generated even more income. These early ventures instilled in him the values of hard work, resilience, and the power of compounding. He learned that success doesn't come overnight, and that persistence and smart decision-making are key to achieving long-term goals. The stock market, however, held a special allure. It was a place where fortunes could be made and lost, where the stakes were high and the rewards even higher. For Warren, it was the ultimate challenge and the ultimate opportunity. He devoured books on finance and spent hours studying market trends. He was like a sponge, absorbing every bit of information he could find. He read everything from Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor to the financial sections of newspapers, always looking for ways to improve his understanding and sharpen his skills. He was fascinated by the idea of owning a piece of a company and participating in its growth. The concept of being a part owner of a business, no matter how small, thrilled him. It wasn't just about making money, it was about being involved in something bigger than himself. Little did he know that this early fascination would blossom into a lifelong passion and catapult him to legendary status in the world of finance. His journey from a young boy with a few shares of stock to one of the richest and most respected investors in the world is nothing short of extraordinary. Imagine the possibilities if we all embrace such a mindset. What if we all started thinking about our financial futures at a young age? What if we all pursued our passions with the same intensity and dedication as Warren Buffett? The potential for success is limitless. The power of starting early, of letting our passions guide us, of believing in our ability to learn and grow. These are the lessons we can take from Warren Buffett's story. It's not just about investing in stocks, it's about investing in ourselves and our futures. This is the essence of Warren Buffett's story, a story that continues to inspire millions around the globe. His journey is a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance, and the belief that anyone, regardless of age or background, can achieve greatness if they are willing to put in the effort and stay true to their passions. Even as a young boy, Warren Buffett had a mind for business. From an early age, he displayed an uncanny knack for numbers, and a deep curiosity about how money worked. While other children were playing games, Warren was busy reading financial books and absorbing every bit of knowledge he could find about the world of business. He wasn't content with just earning pocket money, he wanted to create something of his own. His entrepreneurial spirit was evident in the various small ventures he undertook. Whether it was setting up a lemonade stand or selling items at a local market, young Warren was always looking for ways to turn a profit. He understood the value of hard work and wasn't afraid to get his hands dirty. Mowing lawns, doing chores, and working hard outdoors were all part of his daily routine. These tasks not only earned him some extra money but also taught him the importance of diligence and perseverance. One of his earliest ventures was selling chewing gum. He saw an opportunity in the simple act of buying packs of gum wholesale and then selling them individually at a markup. This small but significant venture was his first taste of profit margins and the basics of supply and demand. He would buy packs of gum wholesale and then sell them individually at a markup. This door-to-door sales experience not only honed his selling skills, but also taught him the importance of understanding his customers' needs and preferences. He also delivered newspapers, waking up before dawn to ensure his customers got their news on time. This job required a level of discipline and commitment that was rare for someone his age. It was during these early morning hours that Warren learned the value of punctuality and reliability. These experiences taught him the importance of discipline, customer service, and managing cash flow. Collecting money from customers, organizing newspapers, and interacting with his clientele were all part of his daily routine. Each interaction was a lesson in customer service and the importance of building good relationships. Perhaps his most ingenious venture was his pinball machine business. This idea was born out of a simple observation: people enjoyed playing pinball, and there was a demand for entertainment in local establishments. He partnered with a friend and convinced a local barbershop to let them place a machine in the shop. This partnership was a strategic move, as it provided a steady stream of customers who would play the machine while waiting for their haircuts. They split the profits with the barber, creating a win-win situation. This venture was not just about making money, it was about understanding the power of leverage and the benefits of mutually beneficial partnerships. This experience taught him the power of leverage, partnerships, and creating value for others. By sharing the profits, he ensured that everyone involved had a stake in the success of the venture, which in turn motivated them to work harder and smarter. These early entrepreneurial pursuits may seem small, but they were formative experiences for the young Buffett. Each venture, no matter how minor, was a stepping stone that built his confidence and business acumen. They instilled in him the values of hard work, innovation, and the importance of adding value. Whether it was solving problems or coming up with new ideas, these early experiences shaped his approach to business and life. These lessons would serve him well throughout his life and career. From his humble beginnings as a young entrepreneur to becoming one of the most successful investors in the world, Warren Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of hard work, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of value. Warren Buffett's first foray into the stock market wasn't without its hiccups. He bought his first shares of City Service preferred at $38 each. The price soon dipped, dropping to $27. Can you imagine the pressure? A young investor watching his investment shrink? Most of us would panic, right? But not Buffett. He held on, trusting his instincts. Eventually the stock rebounded, climbing to $40. He sold, happy to make a small profit. But here's the lesson. Shortly after he sold, the stock soared to over $200 per share. This experience taught him a crucial lesson. Patience and long-term thinking are paramount in investing. He realized that short-term fluctuations are part of the game. The real money is made by identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and holding on to them for the long haul. This early experience shaped his investment philosophy and highlighted the importance of emotional discipline. He learned to control his impulses, resist the urge to follow the crowd, and trust in his research and convictions. As Warren Buffett grew older, his passion for investing only intensified. From a very young age, Warren was not like other kids. While his peers were busy playing games and engaging in typical teenage activities, Warren was engrossed in the world of finance. His curiosity about how money worked and how businesses operated was insatiable. He devoured every book and newspaper he could find on finance and business. His room was filled with stacks of financial literature, and he spent countless hours reading and rereading them. He wasn't just skimming through, he was deeply analyzing the content, trying to understand every nuance. He studied the strategies of successful investors, analyzing their successes and failures. Warren was particularly fascinated by the stories of those who had made fortunes in the stock market. He meticulously noted down their strategies, their thought processes, and their decision-making patterns. He was a sponge, absorbing knowledge and honing his skills. Every piece of information he gathered was like a puzzle piece, helping him build a bigger picture of the financial world. He practiced what he learned, often simulating stock trades and predicting market movements. By his teenage years, he had accumulated a significant nest egg from his various ventures. Warren wasn't just learning, he was applying his knowledge. He started small businesses, sold newspapers, and even worked odd jobs to save money. Every dollar he earned was carefully saved and reinvested. He continued to invest, buying and selling stocks and even dabbling in real estate. His first stock purchase was at the age of 11, and he never looked back. He learned the importance of patience and long-term thinking, often holding on to stocks for years to see their true potential. He purchased a 40-acre farm while still in high school. This wasn't just an investment, it was a testament to his foresight and understanding of value. He saw potential where others saw risk, and this ability to identify undervalued assets became a hallmark of his investment strategy. This entrepreneurial spirit and financial acumen set him apart from his peers. While others were thinking about their next social event, Warren was thinking about his next investment. His dedication and focus were unparalleled, and it was clear to everyone around him that he was destined for greatness. He wasn't just driven by the desire for wealth, he was fascinated by the game of investing, the challenge of identifying value, and the potential for long-term growth. For Warren, investing was like solving a complex puzzle. He loved the intellectual challenge and the thrill of making informed decisions that could lead to significant rewards. He understood that investing wasn't just about picking stocks, it was about understanding businesses, industries, and the overall economy. Warren spent hours studying market trends, economic indicators, and business models. He knew that to be a successful investor, one had to have a holistic understanding of the financial ecosystem. This dedication to learning and his relentless pursuit of knowledge laid the foundation for his future success. Warren's thirst for knowledge was unquenchable. He believed that the more he learned, the better equipped he would be to make sound investment decisions. The journey to financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and a long-term vision. Whether it's saving your first $100, learning about the stock market, or making your first investment, every small step adds up. Remember, the most powerful tool in wealth building is time. The sooner you start, the greater your potential to succeed. If Warren Buffett's story teaches us anything, it's that the path to success is within your reach. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. The choices you make today will shape your financial future tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more inspiring stories and practical financial advice. Together, let's work toward building a future filled with smart decisions and lasting wealth. Thank you for watching.